Well, today I'm going to put a well in at my camp. I need to get a more consistent way of getting water other than my catchment system, which relies on the rain. So far I've been living with the catchment system for, I think, 110 days now out here, and it's worked, but that's been the rainy season. It's going to be drying up soon, and I'm going to need a better solution. Plus, it's just going to be nice to have more water when it's hot out like today. So here we go. Well, because nothing can ever go like it's supposed to. This diameter here for the cap, the driving cap for the well, is just as big as the inside as this almost, but this has a little bit of a lip from a weld in here, and this catches on it. So, gotta get out the old grinder. All right, now we'll see if she works. Got about that far to go. Ha! Getting farther. Still sticks a little once in a while. All right, got it driven down, so it's 36 inches out of the ground. No particular number there, just one I picked. So at the top of the well, it's 16 inches tall. It'll be about right here. I think that'll feel pretty good. So we'll drop this down until it hit water. There's water. And then we get to the bottom of the point, which is right there. Bring it up till I feel water. Right there's water starting. So about that much water. It's about 4.5 feet of water in that pipe. Woohoo! Well, I got the well pipe drove in. I stuck a tube down there to a pump, to my battery. It's a Jackery battery. And I have some nice clean water. Woohoo! Well, I'd say today's a success. I got this well dug, augered out. 4-inch hole down about 5 feet, and then I drove the sand point in because it kept caving in. So I got a sand point, drove that in with a driver. That's about a 8-foot pipe altogether. Well, it is an 8-foot pipe. Then with a 3-foot sand point on that. And right now, I just got that pump on there, and it's pumping water out still, nice and clear. I'm just gonna let that go for a bit. And then tomorrow I'll go ahead and put some pea gravel around that, fill it in with the sand that I took out last. That's the cleanest sand. I'll put that in, and then I'll cap it off with some concrete. And I'm waiting on the pump to go on there, the pitcher pump. Then I'll get that on there. I'll probably tee that off, put a check valve in so I can still continue to draw water up with an electric pump to feed like the kitchen over here and stuff. Don't look like a kitchen yet, but it's going to be the kitchen and food prep area and all that over there. So it'll have running water on demand with the pump. So hope you like this. It's been a fun day. It's been hot and a lot of running around, getting stuff. You know, it's things don't go right always the first time, but I am really happy to have running water here because I've been using the rain catchment system over here, and that water just, you know, it's got stuff that gets in the water. It doesn't all filter out, and then it clogs up the filter. The filter stops working as good. My drinking filter, my Berkey. But having this, I have pretty much unlimited water. I have to rely on rain too, so, you know, like unlimited showers and unlimited spraying myself off when it's hot, and maybe a misting tent. I don't know, whatever. I got big plans. I got water. Have a good day.